Hello, my name is Yaro and I will be your instructor for this course. Now, when creating any Ruby on Rails application, there are two critical things that you have to take into consideration: authorization and authentication. Authentication is all the aspects of user login functionality, and authorization is giving users different roles and permissions to access different parts of the application. So I invite you to look at the screen and see the application that we're going to code along and build step by step, feature by feature. Now, you see we can log in with the different social accounts, and let's say we will log in, for example, with Twitter. Login in. And here I've logged in and I see my personal profile. Okay, let's have a look at all the users. And there are two users in the application. Here's the first user, here's the second user. We can see the roles of each user. So this other user is an admin and a student. I have logged in as a student, and you see I have my social image from my social media account from which I logged in. Now I can see which users were banned, which ones were confirmed, and so on. I can edit myself, so I will go and edit. I can change my name. Let's say I will change my name. I will submit. Okay, and you see I can also have these actions to ban or to delete. Now, if I try to ban this other user, I am not authorized to do it. If I try to delete this other user, I'm also not authorized to do it because I am not an admin user. Then I can invite another user to join the application. Let's invite somebody. Okay, send the invitation. And the invitation has been sent. I will go to users and I see that this new user was created, but he is not confirmed. He didn't accept his invitation, and I can actually resend the invitation instructions. Now I can also search by any user, by a part or by whole email. So I will say add example, and I can find this user. I can also open the personal profile of any user and see his personal information. Now, if I log in as another user, if I log in as an admin, so it will be with GitHub. This is the account that has an admin role. I can go to edit once again, and you see I can also edit roles. So admins can edit roles of different users, but simple users cannot edit other roles. Now I can ban any user. So you see, I have banned this user. I can unban this user, I can delete users, and basically do anything I want with any user. So we are going to create an application in which we can invite users, edit users, ban users, delete them, track their information, change their personal information, and it's a great boilerplate for any Ruby on Rails application that you want to build on top. So I invite you to join the course and see you inside.